In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a wallpaper from your iPhone. If this helps you, don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video. So the first thing you're going to do is to press on your screen. So my screen is locked right now. I'm going to press and hold my screen and this will automatically pop up. Once you do, if you swipe to the right or to the left, you're going to be able to see every single wallpaper that you have saved on your phone. Let's say I want to delete this wallpaper right here with the smiley faces. I only need to swipe up. Then I'm going to see this little trash can right here. I'm going to select it. And then my iPhone is going to ask me if I want to remove this wallpaper. Remember that this is going to be removed from both your lock screen and your home screen. Simply confirm your action. So delete this wallpaper. And that's it. The wallpaper is no longer on the list of my wallpapers. Hope that helped.